The Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera is a high-performance security camera designed to provide enhanced security and peace of mind for your home. With its advanced features and easy-to-use design, this camera stands out as a top choice for home security enthusiasts. One of the key features of the Arlo Pro 4 is its high-definition video quality. The camera captures video in 2K resolution with HDR, providing clear and detailed footage that allows you to see every detail. Whether you're monitoring your property during the day or at night, the Arlo Pro 4 delivers crisp and vivid video that helps you keep an eye on what's happening around your home. The built-in spotlight is another standout feature of the Arlo Pro 4. This spotlight can be activated manually through the app or automatically when motion is detected. The bright light not only illuminates the area, making it easier to see in low-light conditions, but it also acts as a deterrent for potential intruders. The combination of high-resolution video and powerful lighting ensures that you can capture and see everything clearly, even in the darkest conditions. The Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera is also equipped with a smart motion detection system. It uses advanced algorithms to distinguish between people, animals, vehicles, and packages, reducing false alarms and ensuring that you are only alerted to relevant events. You can customize the motion detection settings to suit your preferences, including setting activity zones to focus on specific areas of interest. Another significant advantage of the Arlo Pro 4 is its wireless design. The camera is battery-powered, making it easy to install anywhere around your home without the need for complicated wiring. The rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power, and the camera's weather-resistant design ensures reliable performance in various environmental conditions. The Arlo Pro 4 integrates seamlessly with various smart home ecosystems, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. This compatibility allows you to incorporate the camera into your existing smart home setup, providing additional convenience and functionality. You can use voice commands to control the camera, view live footage on smart displays, and receive alerts directly on your smart devices. The Arlo app provides a comprehensive interface for managing the camera. You can view live and recorded footage, receive real-time alerts, and adjust settings all from your smartphone. The app also offers a range of subscription plans that provide additional features such as cloud storage for video recordings, advanced object detection, and extended warranty coverage. In summary, the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera offers a robust and versatile solution for home security. Its high-definition video, integrated spotlight, smart motion detection, and seamless smart home integration make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance the security and monitoring capabilities of their home.